రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్న అవకాశాల దృష్ట్యా భవిష్యత్తులోనూ అంతర్జాతీయ పెట్టుబడులు తెలంగాణకు వస్తాయని రాష్ట్ర ఐటీ పరిశ్రమల శాఖ మంత్రి కె తారక రామారావు అన్నారు. 6 ఏళ్లలో భారతదేశానికి హైదరాబాద్ నూతన టెక్ హబ్గా మారిందని, ఐటీ కార్యకలాపాల తీరుతెన్నులు కూడా మారిపోయాయని చెప్పారు. హైదరాబాద్ ప్రీమియర్ ఐటీ హబ్లోని నాలెడ్జ్ సిటీ డల్లాస్ సెంటర్లో నైట్ ఫ్రాంక్ ఇండియా నూతన కార్యాలయాన్ని కేటీఆర్ ప్రారంభించారు.
Jayesh Ranjan, and to all the friends from the media and also various other customers of Knight Frank who are also seated here. A very good morning to all of you, and my congratulations to the entire team of Knight Frank on moving into a new location in the city of Hyderabad. Hyderabad, in fact, Rajni sort of stole all the things I wanted to mention, so all the nice things. Thank you, Rajni, for putting it in perspective when it comes to our city as to how and why it is one of the most attractive destinations in the country today. Hyderabad is a city which has a history of more than 429 years, as we all know, and it's one of those rare cities in India. I keep saying this over and over, which has both the heritage, the old world charm, and also the new age vibrancy. It's a very resilient city, and I'm very confident we'll beat, both the blues of COVID and also several other challenges that kind of engulf us today in the year 2020. But if you look at the last 6 years, from 2014 to 2020, our IT exports have more than doubled, from 56,000 crores to 128,000 crores. Our numbers have improved in terms of employment as well, and also, in fact, the location where we're currently standing, all of us, it is Dallas Center. Exactly 6 years ago, this was nothing but a huge hill, but now today, if you look around, you'll see some marquee names in business. You'll see some outstanding, beautiful buildings which have come up, and in fact, if you forget the fact that you're in India and Hyderabad, and if you just look around, you might even think that this could be any part of the world, any developed nation in the world as well. That's how this place has been shaping up. As was pointed out by Rajni, in fact, last year we've had a good run in terms of real estate, which typically is a direct indicator, typically is a direct reflection of the growth of the city. Last year, in fact, 3 quarters in a row, we've even beaten Bangalore, which has traditionally been the leader in terms of office space absorption. But on the whole, as was pointed out, in the last 6 years, we've jumped from 6th spot to 2nd spot in the country, and I do believe we are not happy. In fact, I am not happy being number 2.